Alrighty, welcome back. It is time for another installment of everyone's favourite show, the War on Rust on the Fiat 124. Now you would have seen last episode, I finished off this whole back box section here. So that is now all remade, rebuilt, de-rusted. No more rust in there, thank God. So now the next step is to move on to these two guards. So you can see in here where they usually go in this area here, and that big gaping hole right there. This one's actually not too bad apart from that hole, but I think I'll start on this one because it's the worst. So what I'm going to do now is clean all this up. Oh, there it is under there. Not too flash, but we'll get that sorted out. Clean all this up, see what we're dealing with, and then start piece by piece cutting out this rust and rebuilding those sections. Right, all cleaned up. So now we get a better picture of what we're dealing with here. It's not too bad. I mean, it looks pretty horrid, but it's not actually that bad. It's just really on this panel here, I need to rebuild that little section there and this section in here. This base panel here, I think I'll take that out, and so I can remake this section and this section along here. That'll give me better access to this and this as well, so I can rebuild that. And then it is just this panel here, so cutting sort of across there and making this section down. So that's it. It's sort of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 panels. All right, there's that lower panel taken off now, all cleaned up. Get a pretty good idea now of what we need to fix and what can be kept. Bit of pitting down here, but on the other side of there, it doesn't go through. So I think that's all right there. So I think this bit is the main bit all through here, and this section through here. So what I'll probably do is cut across there up, and then up there, and then this section I'll probably cut there and maybe down here and across. Because yeah, it's on the other side, it doesn't actually go through apart from there and up there. So better than I expected, but still got those two areas we need to fix. So let's start fabricating up these little panels now. Rightio, there we have it. The first part of this little tray done. That's the old there, and there's the new. So pretty happy about that, looks pretty good. So now that's done. That was one of the major parts. Now I just have to go and do this bit here. Now I might cut down and down there, or down and across there. This bit here is pretty chewed up as well, so it might be easy just to come straight across and straight down there. So half done, other half to go. Let's get that done. All right, there we have it. All these rusty bits here. Look at that, that's all taken out. New corner here, this whole corner new. So now we have one rust-free right-hand side rear fender slash quarter panel tray. Bam. Now the next thing I'm going to do is head over to the car and line this up. Okay, so there we have it. These spot welds along here have been put in. Spot welds, 3 spot welds along here have been put in because this part of the panel isn't rusted, so that's going to stay. So lines up there and lines up there. So now going to the underside, you can see the spot welds along there and just 3 spot welds along there. So this will all be coming off and that will all be coming off there. It is really hard to weld upside down. It is not the funnest thing in the world to do, but you got to do what you got to do. So now that panel's in and secure, we can see exactly how much of this panel's missing. So the next task will be to mark all this out, start cutting these panels away and fabricating these new sections there, there, all of it. But for this episode, I think we are done. That's in, so that's the win. Thanks for watching. Again, if you've got any questions or anything, don't be scared of banging a comment in and all the rest of it, and I'll try to get back to you. Thanks for watching.